Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to add notes on TikTok. People add notes on TikTok to enhance their videos. Notes can provide extra context, spark conversations with viewers, promote other content, or simply add a personal touch, making the experience more engaging and interactive. To do so, first you have to tap open your application that is downloaded on your device or visit the official website that is tiktok.com. Then make sure that you are logged in. After this, tap on the profile icon located on the bottom right. Here, you can see various options including editing your profile, uploading videos, sharing your profile with followers, and various others. Now, to open Notes section, you have to tap on Thoughts bubble located at the top of your profile. Type your note in the provided text box. You can also change your theme by tapping on the Theme section right below your settings icon. You can change it as you prefer. Remember, your thought will be visible to your followers for 24 hours only. After this, tap on your story, and here you go. You have successfully added notes on TikTok. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.